how to change line spacing in Thunderbird. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change line spacing in Thunderbird. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Thunderbird on your PC or laptop, and from that section you'll have to go the option like compose mail. So from there you'll be see such interface. So from here I have written this random mail from here. So from here to change the line spacing, I'll have to just select all of the text from here, and from here at the top I will get options like body text, paragraph, heading. So similarly I can change it from here, but when I change it from here and after I enter, I will be able to see more spacing on here. So to neglect or to fix the problem like more spacing on your email, you'll have to just back from here, and from this Thunderbird you'll have to just go with the option settings just at the bottom left corner. So simply click on this setting icon. Alright, so from here you'll have to go the option composition, and from the composition section you'll have to scroll down and go the sections like HTML styles. So from this section you'll have to go the options like use paragraph format instead of body text by default. So from here you'll have to just turn off this option from the Thunderbird. So after you turn off this option or feature from here, you'll be able to change the line spacing in Thunderbird. So now you can easily make the body text automatically without any changes. So now from there you'll be able to have the smaller line spacing in Thunderbird. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.